folks. So we're now meeting two talented sisters who are captivating audiences with the beauty of Indian classical dance. It's actually called Kathak dancing. Sonali and Nidika Lumba here to share their journey as performers with us. Welcome to you.
Thank you so much.
Is this your first time in Jamaica?
Yes.
Is it? And you are here on what occasion? What brings you here?
We're here for dance. We want to spread the culture, our Indian culture. We want to share our Kathak performance with the audience in Jamaica. So we're here for that.
Fantastic. So is there a particular event, or are you going to be doing classes, or?
We just concluded our event and a workshop.
Oh,
with the
nice.
Indian High Commission.
How was that? Let's talk about that.
It was well received at the High Commission, and I think we had a couple of the Indians who were staying in Jamaica who were interested to learn about Kathak, and they were quite excited about it.
So the workshops went well?
Yes, very well, yeah.
Excellent. Let's talk a little bit about how you folks got into it. You're both Indian born.
That's right.
But then you went to the US, but you started dancing while you were at home.
At home, yes.
Tell me a little bit about how you got into it. I mean, it's a big part of your culture.
Yeah.
It is. So I think we were first introduced to classical dance through watching some performances, because there are so many, we have 8 Indian classical dance forms in India, and there are so many beautiful artists in India. So we were captivated by watching certain performances, and then we started learning. We found a teacher who took us as students, and then the more we started learning, it wasn't like a love at first sight where we knew that this is what we wanted to do, but the more we were learning, the more we got.
The more you fell in love.
The more it just became an inseparable part of ourselves, and it wasn't planned, it just happened along.
And it happened to the both of you at the same time.
Yes.
I mean, so tell me about that dynamic, because dancing is one thing, dancing as sisters, and now you guys are a package deal.
Yes.
I mean, does that make it easier or harder?
I think it makes it easier.
So much easier. We have so many nice things to talk about now. We are like all the time talking about dance. We are coming up with new projects, new ideas.
Yeah.
And who better to share it with, siblings.
Siblings. So Sonali, what's that been like for you, working with your sister, traveling the world with your sister, having all these experiences with your sister?
Yeah, it's been pretty amazing so far, and it was our mother who, in fact, encouraged both of us to learn dancing, and that's how we both got into Kathak. And it's been quite exciting to be working with Nidika along this journey.
Do you both have children?
I have one.
You have a
5-year-old.
child. Okay. I saw her outside.
Yes.
Because I'm wondering if this is going to go to the next generation.
We are hoping.
We are hoping it does. That's the plan.
Yes.
So 10 years ago, you moved to the US?
That's right.
And so how did you kind of get Kathak dancing established there? I mean, there is an Indian community there, but is it the community that supports you mainly, or have you managed to spread the wings outside the Indian community?
So I live in Utah.
You're in Utah? Are there Kathak dancing in Utah? No way.
No.
Oh.
There is the community is growing, and I think that was quite challenging initially. But now it's growing, and we have a dance school. We've managed to establish a non-profit organization there. So we have quite a few dance enthusiasts, and it's been quite exciting to teach them Kathak and get them back connected to their roots and their culture. So I think it's been quite an exciting journey.
Nidika, you're in Utah as well?
No, I'm in Washington, D.C.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. So you guys, you don't live together, you just work together. Yes, go ahead. You were going to say.
I was saying that Indian culture is so rich that a lot of people who are not Indians, they are so attracted to it. So I think it isn't a really difficult job for us to kind of cater to a global audience, because just Indian culture itself is so attractive. So apart from reaching out to the Indian audience, we also reach out to global audience across the country. So that has been a pretty nice.
And you have shows in the US as well?
Yes.
Okay. And so for those who want to understand Kathak dance, how would you explain it to me as a lay person?
Yeah.
So it is a classical dance form. That means that the training happens it is passed on from a teacher to a student, a guru to a shishya in our language. And the training also is many years. A person undergoes many years of training. Kathak has its characteristic features are rhythmic footwork, really fast-paced, precise footwork that we will showcase to you right after this. And it is also another very attractive feature of Kathak is really fast spins. Very much like ballet, but also very different.
I was just about to say.
Yeah.
Very different also from that.
Okay. All right. Well, we want to see. So can you show us? When do you head back home?
We head back tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow, yeah.
All right. So now you have to take over the talking because Nidika is having some challenges over there. All right. So tomorrow you head back home, but before that we get a taste of what you have to offer today.
Yes.
So here they are, Sonali and Nidika Lumba.
Yes.
Some Kathak dance for us this morning. Please take the stage, ladies.
Good job.
Are we looking at each other?